Hello everyone! As some of you might know, from the 2nd of April onwards we're going to do an Instagram live quilt along, where I'm going to teach you how to make a memory quilt out of 2 items of clothing. Since it's about a week away, I wanted to give you an update on the materials you need. Well, because you can start collecting. The most important thing is that you collect 2 items of clothing, like a man's shirt, for example. They are very suitable. And this is the inner lining of a pants. Preferably non-stretchy. And the fun thing of using clothes is that there's a story attached to them that will make your memory quilt a memory quilt. For example, my grandfather always makes the best jokes and loves to wear flamboyant shirts. So my invitation to you is to think about which 2 fabrics you want to use and to share your story on the fabrics with me, with the hashtags A Taste of Quilting or Kick-Ass Quilts, so we can all have some pre-fun. I'm looking forward to see it.